Welcome to this TXYZ tutorial. Today we'll explore how to leverage TXYZ AI writing agents to create a blog post. After signing in, click New Page in the sidebar to start a writing project. TXYZ AI will prompt us for a topic. Let's say I want to write about study on the origins of Homo sapiens. We type that topic into the chat, then instantly AI drafts an outline and asks for our feedback. I want to make the outline shorter. Let's chat with AI about that. Oh, AI adjusted seamlessly. Now for the exciting part, I want the AI agent to help me complete the entire article. Let's use the Write Full Article command. We could just type / and select command in the chat box. And wow, in moments, the AI writes the whole blog. It looks great, but if needed, we could always adjust the content by continue chatting with AI. And there we have it, a high-quality blog post created in minutes. Try TXYZ now for free and experience the future of writing. Join us today.